Hey fam, after one whole year I'm back with a hair update. As you can see, my hair has grown because if you remember my last video, I had a TWA. I had recently big chopped because I had a lot of damage, so I just decided to cut it all off, and I'm gonna give you guys a hair update today. I'm gonna show you how long my hair is and how I style it now. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a little length check. I actually cut it because I had bleached ends, if you remember from my last video, so I was trying to get rid of that. And this is the, let me come up closer. This is the back. Yeah, let me show you the front again. Yeah, so this is the front. And now for styling my hair, I still use Eco Styler Gel as my styler, the green one, and that's how I define my curls. That's the style I've been wearing as of lately. I did a twist out once and I didn't like how it came out, so I haven't done a twist out I haven't worn a twist out in over a year, probably. I just don't like short twist outs on me anymore, so I've just been doing wash and goes. So I'm going to do a dry wash and go on my hair now. It's not supposed to take long. I already have the hair butter in my hair, so I won't be putting any more of that in it. But for now, I'll be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture with Twisting Cream. Guys, I have a very good reason why I've been gone for a year. I won't get into the details of it in this video, but if there's anything specific that you want to know, feel free to message me or leave a comment and I'll let y'all know what's up. Slept on my hair, so it's very shrunken. I'm just gonna get my blow dry and go through it and stretch the root. This is the shrunken side and this is the stretched side, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go in front of the mirror and finish stretching it. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay people, there you have it. This is what my hair is looking like. I know I didn't go in detail with how I got these curls to look like this, and I didn't go step-by-step detail. That's because one, I have a lot of videos on how I do my hair like this, and nothing has really changed except the health of my hair and kind of the products that I use, but mainly my styler is Eco Styler Gel, so that's what I use. Without that, then I wouldn't be able to get my hair like this. So that's the only thing that I've been using since I've been natural, and it hasn't changed. If you want me to go in detail of the products I use and how I use it and why I use it, and how I section my hair and how I apply the products and all that, if you want to see all of that, you can let me know. I'll definitely do it for you. As well as if you have any other questions, which I know you guys may have questions like where was I for 1 year. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd see that I was still around, but honestly I wasn't doing anything to my hair, so it was just there growing. And I'm happy with the fact that it's healthy and it's growing and it looks good. I love how thick it is. I mean, I like it to be thicker because why not? But yeah, I'm loving how it's looking. I'm loving how it's growing. I love how it feels, and the fact that there are no loose curls that I was not born with. So hopefully, I don't believe I'll damage it again. I don't believe I'll ever try to flat iron it again and damage it. I may bleach it, I don't know when, but no time soon, I hope. I don't think so. And yep, I'm loving my hair, guys. So if you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram or leave them below in the leave them below in the comment section, and I'll answer your questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.